Found this pork skin, and I'm going to try to cook this the way I just did my ribs last time without cooking. I made ribs raw and added barbecue sauce. This I just add salt to this pork for 88 cents a pound, and to make charon, which can be used later, ingredients to my cooking. So I clean this, put some salt. I'm going to wrap with foil. I try again, bake it to 350. I'll show you what it would look like when it gets cooked later on. Thank you. This is how the end product of the pork skin that I made earlier to lechon. Hello. Look at my pork na naging lechon na from international market. Bought pork skin. This time I copied the way I cook my ribs last time. I just kept the raw pork skin, cover it with aluminum foil in one container. Basically, I actually cook it in this kind of container when I start cooking. With foil after tea, and then I remove it back from by the time I know that the skin is already cooked. Kasi magkakadikit sila before. Now I let the foil out, let it cook till the skin is cooked. Look, talagang very walang talagang very crispy all angles because they're really cooked. Look at that. Yan ang ginawa pork skin. So I can use this for sahog sa gulay, mainit pa. Pansahog sa gulay o pwedeng kainin. It's just, ito ang matinding lechon. Sa dami ng taba, talagang matigas. Look, the whole thing is cooked. I start cooking it at 6 o'clock, at 10:30, about 9:30. It's now 4, luto na siya. Ay, talagang, yan ang lechong walang matigas talaga. Hindi you want some?
I don't know.
Hindi napakalutong.
If you want to get some
It's very crispy.
If you want to pick up soft meat now.
You can hear lutong.